This is where I left you the last time, with actually building this. Hopefully you can see this correctly and everything. So there you are. Now I'm going to make another one there, and I need to drill other holes for the other side. As it says, when I get the chance to come here, then I'll put this all together and thoroughly enjoy it. And you can see the way I'm going to do this is I had a wee bit of thought about it during the week and everything like that. So I just got in the nick of time. It's raining. It's good. It's actually rain coming here, so I need to build something there which is going to actually prevent any water coming in onto the table. So there, out to this line would be suffice. This spot as well, actually cover that up, which would be better. I don't want to be using that asbestos thing. It's good, it's raining right now. Boiling some water here. Two things. I've not had my breakfast, so I'm going to have some porridge and a little coffee. How simple is this, eh? Of course, very little equipment and everything like that. It's good to forget about all the mod cons and all the luxury equipment and all that. Yeah, so there were some things I used, but not very much. This is absolutely nice bit of water. So I'm going to have a coffee and so this is my breakfast. Porridge and a coffee, okay? Well, it could be tea, no matter. If you look at some camping videos, I'm not saying all, I'm not disputing anything anybody does, I'm not saying all like that. But normally, they go to the shop and they take all the wrapping and everything, yeah, they take it home and everything like that, but I've got less fuss here because of the equipment I've actually got. I have got a bottle there with porridge. I've got less stuff to take, and it's healthy for you. I've said this before. I'm not in any rush to actually build a table or chairs or anything like that, because everything else in life seems to be fast. So anyway, I was in my cellar, I bought my little chisel. I don't know if I'll be using it, but I've got it, so it's in my bag. And another style type of chisel which I've got there, as you can see. I actually bought this in the second hand shop, do for a wee bit of chipping and everything like that. But this is really nice. As I keep on saying, it's breezy down here, it's nice. I've got the sniffles. I've had my breakfast so far. Bore a little hole. Carve that straight. I showed you before these auger bits. Got a bigger one there, a smaller one for that. I bored the hole in there of this, so you can make it easier for turning. Get a piece of wood, making sure it's in line. So far so good. I need to actually make some kind of bench, so I can actually do drilling or cutting wood. But I've got the idea in my head and how I'm going to do it. And it's not going to be today. I had a long lie today, but it's been enjoyable. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. If you like to give us a thumbs up, share my channel, sub to it, ring that bell, and stay tuned for more stuff what's coming up. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. Next time I get around there, I'll do the other side, and then I'll construct to the very end part. Yeah, that'll be a couple of videos. I'll do little parts at a time. So until the next time, guys, all the best, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.